how we're going to do it.
Is it going?
We going?
Alright, today we're going to show you how to debadge your vehicle.
The wrong way and the right way.
Yeah. We're going to show you how to debadge your vehicle. You can pretty much do this on any car or truck. They're all usually double-sided taped on. So all you need is either like a fishing line to get behind there, or you can use a little scraper. It's not very sharp. And if you're careful not to scratch your paint, you can just get the edge to peel up. And then once you get the edge up, you can usually just peel the rest off. If you want to reuse your badges, you're going to want to use a fishing line. And if you just take it and go like that behind it, it'll just peel the whole thing off without bending it. But I'm not going to put these back on, so I don't care if they break. And the next step will be to get all this tape off. We use these things, they're called decal erasers, and you can buy this one at O'Reilly's, and then this is a special tool made just for that I have for work. But you buy these at a paint supply store. These hook up straight to a drill, so it's a lot cheaper alternative. And so all you gotta do is run it at a low RPM, and it'll just pull all the tape right off. And the next step's going to be to get this outline that's left after you get all the tape off. To get this outline left behind the badge, we're using 3M rubbing compound. You can buy from any parts store pretty much. You just got to put a little bit on the rag and then just rub it back and forth. You can use a buffer to do this if you really want to, but it goes pretty quick, so I'm not going to use one.